Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining all about carbon purification working model. Every factory releases harmful gases. Now, when the factory releases harmful gases, if we directly release that harmful gases into the air, then what happens is people will fall ill, animals will die and so on. Now, how will we control or how will we purify the harmful gases that is getting released out of the factory? So we have depicted a working model to showcase how can we purify the air before releasing to the atmosphere, which is released by the factory. So now we have used simple concept here. So I've used the carbon absorber rods we have used here. So whenever the factory produces air pollution that goes through chimney, and from chimney we kept the filter here in the forms of carbon rods here. So when the impurities of gases or harmful gases pass through, what happens is all the harmful gases will get absorbed into these carbon rods and the clean air will pass on to this other pipe. So that is a concept we wanted to explain here. So now we are going to demonstrate how this working model really works. Depicted the smoke produced by the factory by making use of these sticks. So this is puja sticks. So we use to generate smoke. So we are going to place inside this factory. What happens is when we place this stick inside the factory, so it goes through chimney. The whatever the smoke which is created from this stick, it goes through chimney. Now what we have done in chimney is we have used the DC motor that is going to pull the smoke. So if you can see, right, this chimney chamber, it is going to absorb all the smoke which is getting from this stick here. Smoke which is coming from here, that is getting cleaned up by making use of this carbon rods. So all the chemicals or harmful gases are getting absorbed here in these rods, and remaining clean air will produce out of this. If you can see, right, all the clean air is coming out here. If you can see, right, all the clean air is coming out of this exit pipe here. So this is the way we are releasing into our environment. I hope now you guys got a clarity what is all about carbon purification working model, how we are going to purify the smoke that is generated by the factory before releasing to the environment. That is a concept we are clearly talked about in this working model. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.